that your froggy?
Yeah.
Tell us what happened. What were you guys doing out there?
Here.
Don't touch him, honey. I just washed your hands, baby. Don't, Aislinn.
Yep, she'll have to wash them again. Guys, what were you doing outside?
We were catching leaves and frogs. A lot of frogs.
A lot of frogs? How many do you think you caught?
Uncle Timmy let us hold him.
I know. How many do you think you caught?
1 and 2 and 3 and I found something.
How many do you think? Take a guess.
What?
Oh, it's a dice. You caught the wild dice. Tell me how many you think you caught. Just make a guess.
1, 2.
Don't count them, just guess.
You kidding me, Grandma?
I think you caught 20 frogs.
1, 2, 3. No, I don't. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Aislinn, I saw a baby lizard in there too. Y'all caught a baby lizard?
Yeah.
Be careful, don't scare him.
I want to see him.
He does like